So here we need to show the resulting salary of employee. Their salary must be raised by 10%. For that, we are using 1.1. 1.1 means we are increasing in 10%. So 100 into 10 year. That will be actually we have taken directly from the 1.1 into salary. So this entire thing will be what exactly will be renamed as an increased salary. So in the output of the query, you can see that. So instead of using this entire thing is, it will be renamed as increased salary, and that is going to be displayed here. So from the employee works on project, that means which employee works on the which project, and joining condition of these two. Employee from the works on is joining based on what exactly? Employee and also as well as the works on and the project is joining based on the SSN, and also as well as here works on and the project is joining based on the project number, and employee and works on is joining based on the SSN, and their project name should be IoT here. So whoever the employee working on IoT project, their salary should be what exactly raised by 10% here. Next, third one is we need to find the sum of the salaries of all the employees of the accounts department, as well as the maximum salary, minimum salary, and average salary in this department. That means here in this case we need to refer the two relations here. That is, one is the employee and department. Even though in employee table DNM is located also, but here in the statement he has given accounts department. So I should have what exactly? I should retrieve the department name as account here. So how to use that? Select sum of salary, maximum of salary, minimum of E dot salary means you are retrieving the salary from the employee table, and average salary from employee in the department, where joining condition of these two, that is employee of the D number is joined with department of D number, and D name should be account here. The D name should be what exactly? Account. So this is what the third one. Next, fourth one, retrieve the name of each employee who works on all projects controlled by department number 5. So in the inner query, we are retrieving the project number from works on table here. Okay, in this outer query, we are retrieving the project number from the project where department, that means in other project must be controlled by 5 here. So whatever we are retrieving from this query, it will be get minus with the outer query. So that then when you minus this, suppose assume that if you have 2, 3, 4 here, and here if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you minus this, that output of this will be 1 and 2. So when you give the not exist, what exactly? Apart from the 1 and 2, the remaining, the employees who are working on the project 3, 4, 5, their name is going to be what exactly? Displayed. That is what use of not exist. Not exist means apart from that, that is the reverse of an exist operator. Next, fifth one. For each department that has more than 5 employees, retrieve the department number and number of its employees who are making more than 6 lakh. That means each department means we are using actually the group by department. After grouping the department number, we are applying in condition that department, that is more than 5 employees must work on the department here. Okay, then this is the one condition. And another condition that employees must also have more than 60,000. If both the condition is satisfied, then with respect to that, we are going to retrieve the department number and also the count. That is, which employee is working on, which department number has actually which department has more than 6 lakh employee, more than what exactly, how many employees are having more than 5 here, more than 6 lakh here. So that is what we are, when we use the select D number means the whatever you are grouping the attribute, the same attribute should also be located in the select statement here. So this is about the company database. Now let us see the execution of this, the execution of this company database here. Okay, so first we'll create a table. First, we'll create a table. For all, that means department will create. Then next, we'll create actually the employee table. You can observe here while creating a department table here. At the time of the first initial stage, we are not yet entered the MGRSSN. Just we have created the table by including only these four. Then after that, what we have to do is that we need to alter the table. There I need to, what exactly I'm going to add one more attribute like MGRSSN, and I'm making that MGRSSN is the foreign key. Now the table has been altered here. Then if you want to see, you can use the select star from department. Then you can check whether that particular attribute are added. Use select department, because we have not yet inserted the values because of the PDP. You can see MGRSSN is added. So next, create another table called D location. There what exactly will be making this two as the primary key. Then create another table called the project. Okay. Then we'll create another table called works. Now all table has been created. Next, we'll insert for the employee table here. While inserting for the employee table, you can observe that. So we are not inserting for what exactly at the time. We are not inserting for the genome here. So if you want, you can see select star from employee. So you can see actually the DNAM is not there. Why? Because the DNAM is foreign key in the department table. Without inserting value to the department table, I can't get it inserted into the employee table. Then insert into an department value here. Okay. Enter. Now the department table has been inserted. You don't use the select star from department. Now you can see. Now you can insert an department number DNAM to an employee table. How you can do that? You can use what exactly the update command here, like this. Okay. One row is updated. If you want, you can set that. Select start from employee. You can check. You can see here. DNAM has been added. You can see DNAM has been added here. And only one row has been added here. So for the first row, you can observe here. Okay. First row. DNAM has been added. Like that, we need to what exactly? We need to update it for all the things here. Rows we have at the same at the steps you can update the thing. Okay. Then select start from employee. You can see DNAM 4 1 5 1 like that here. Why it is doing actually in the next row means that at the time of creating the table, we could have used the 2020 like that. Because of that, it is taking so much of memory space. Next is inserted for the D location. Copy, paste. Then inserted for the project. Next insert for the project. Next, inserted for the box. Next, insert for box. insert into KBIT-V01, which is that is KBIT-V01. Last row it's not taking, it's okay. Eliminating that in the insert. Then after that, if you want to check with all the tables, you can use select start from employees over, then department, employee. Okay, then select start from department, then select start from project, then select start from project location, the location. Select start from work zone, then select start from the location. See, all values have been inserted. Okay. Okay. Now, let us take first one. What is that? First, what is the first one? We need to make a list of all the project numbers per project that involve an employee as an worker whose last name is Scott, either as a worker or as a manager of the department that controls the project. So first, let us take, we'll execute only this part here. Here, we'll be retrieving the Scott as a worker here. You can see. That means in project number 102, 103, Scott is working as Scott is working as a worker. And in this part, Scott is working as a manager. Then when you combine this, when you combine and execute, you can see here both the things. That means the duplicate tuples is going to be eliminated when you use the union operation. That means in all these projects, the Scott is working as either as a manager or as the worker. Next, we need to select the employee who is working on the project IoT, and their salary must be increased by 100 years. So you can see here in this particular table. So you can see in the work zone table or in employee table. In employee table, where is Scott? The Scott. The Scott is, what is this actually? The SSN number SJBEC001, SJBEC01, and also SJBCSE03. So he must what exactly both. He must work on IoT project. IoT project means SSN is CSE01. Whether IoT project, whether he is working, yes, is working on IoT project. And what about his salary here? Usually, so the before, so the salary is one is 45 lakh, sorry, 4,50,000, and another one is what exactly salary is, another one is 5 lakh, 5 lakh. So we need to check whether his salary is going to be increased or not. Then select, it must be increased, paste.